Hey guys, silly video, middle of the night, 4:29 in the morning. Got another 2 hours to go of work. If you have a W163, that's what this is pertaining to, and you notice under your miles per hour or kilometers per hour, there is this little unlit light there that says LIM under there, LIM, and you never see it light up. If you're in North America, you never will see that light up. It has nothing to do with a North American car. It is for European, some European countries and some, I think, Asian countries as well. And it is, LIM stands for limit. In those countries where that is an option or a necessity on your cruise control stock, there will be a little thing to set. So you can set the speed limit, and that light will shine and come on when you've hit that limit. Kind of like the alarm on your navigation system that will come on when you exceed a certain limit on your GPS. And that's all that is. In North America, that is not a function that we get. It's not coded into the computer, and you do not have the button to set it on your cruise control stock. It's something I've always been thinking about. I just Googled it and found the answer online, and I'm like, oh geez, that's what that's for. And it's middle of the night and I have sweet dick all else to do, so I figured I would record this, and if anyone else has been thinking about it, that's what it is. Thanks for watching.